Is it actually possible to make money online using nothing but OpenClaw? And the answer is simple. It's yes, because I made $350 per week using nothing but OpenClaw, and basically he was responsible for everything. So we actually been talking about OpenClaw on this channel for quite a lot. How to set it up, how to use these skills. But I wanted to go a bit further by actually trying to earn real money with OpenClaw without putting a lot of effort from my side. I'll just guide my OpenClaw to do whatever he wants, and I'll try to earn my first money. I have no idea how this is all gonna go, but I just have one idea, one vision to earn some money using OpenClaw, and I'm really excited to share the whole journey with you guys. Walk with me as I walk with myself with OpenClaw hand by hand, and just, you know, enjoy the video. That's it. Okay, so let's get started. So I have my OpenClaw set up on a VPS, on Hostinger VPS. I have connected it with WhatsApp. It's pretty simple to do. So I just want to get started. So first things first, I need an idea. So I have an idea that I want to build something that's AI related in this AI niche. Maybe OpenClaw, maybe Claude, maybe Paperclip, something related with these frameworks. So I'll just send a voice note to my OpenClaw to do a research on what I could actually think of, what ideas. So I'll just start, okay? Okay, so I'm sending a message.
Hey Minibot, basically I want to create a new business and make money online. I want to do something in the AI niche, meaning that's something related with Claude or Paperclip or OpenClaw, whatever. Can you do an analysis for me and try to generate an idea what I could sell online? So, I don't know, maybe scrape some Reddit posts, Hacker News or whatever, and yeah, thanks.
Okay, so I send the message to my OpenClaw and I see that it's already typing, so let's see what the answer is gonna be. Oh, okay, so I got the response back. Okay, so basically, yeah, Reddit, Hacker News, AI communities, give me a few minutes to scrape. Okay, interesting. Installing individual MCP skills is so tedious. My agents don't coordinate. Manually copying outputs between them. Need pre-built AI companies, not individual tools. My recommendation: build paperclip.org.com, a marketplace for pre-configured AI organizations specifically designed for paperclip.ing. So the next steps are, you know, presented to me to pursue is that I need to grab a domain. So lucky enough, I can just get on hostinger.com and try to look up if this domain is actually available. Okay, yeah, and it's available, 99 cents for the first year. So yeah, I'll probably do that myself. I will purchase the domain name, but after that I will try to, oh, and a VPS. I already own a VPS at Hostinger. So basically I will probably purchase the domain right now, and I will give my OpenClaw the credentials to my VPS so that it could start working on a VPS, or basically to build a landing page we need to host it somewhere. So let me first buy the domain, and then I'll check what I need to do next. Okay, so I just purchased a domain, paperclip.org.com. Right now I need to purchase a new VPS if I want to start from the beginning, but I won't purchase a new one because I have I have an existing VPS where I could install Docker, as it says here. So in this case, I don't even need to purchase a new VPS. So okay, so I got the domain. Let me get the credentials for the VPS. Okay, so basically I purchased the domain that you were suggesting because it was available.
And I already own a VPS that has Docker installed, so could you install the needed infrastructure on that VPS? I will just provide you the credentials to my VPS itself in the upcoming message, okay?
I will also need for him to set up the domain with my VPS, so that once you enter the domain name into the URL, that you would get basically the how is it called, the pointing to the VPS, so that it opens your landing page or whatever. Yeah, so perfect. Absolutely, I can set up entire infrastructure, yada yada yada. and deploy Paperclip org, core services, Docker Compose, I mean marketplace app. It's send over the VPS details for the... Okay, so now I got the message that perfect, got the SSH details, excellent. I can see infrastructure is already deployed. By the way, for this exact use case, I just want to disclose, I'm using the Claude Opus 4.6 model. So it's a bit more premium. It has a bit more knowledge on the, everything on the infrastructure part, let's say. So I just wanted to disclose that. But I see that Docker is ready, and I have this on my VPS here. I need to check it up. You have a Paperclip marketplace, basically container. Let's see. Yeah, I do have this. Okay. The database and okay. Perfect, everything is already configured. Let me check the Umami analytics. Okay, everything is already live and working perfectly. Okay, so I saw that there is actually a container, a Docker container inside my VPS. So what I need to do now, because basically nothing is working yet, I need to build some content, build the landing page, build the products, build the email campaigns, build the analytics, configure it properly, and then launch. Okay, so cool. For the content, I need you to develop a landing page. It should be very, very, very similar to the paperclip.ing website, which is basically the framework for this product. Yeah, once you're done, just send me a message and the link so I could actually go and check the landing page. Okay, so now I've sent this huge prompt for the landing page. It shouldn't look like a vibe-coded app. That's one constraint that I set to him. And he has a lot of different resources to try to look up for. So I'm hoping it will actually build a nice landing page with different typography, nice fonting, to use Paperclip dashboard elements. Yeah, let's see what it brings us. I sent a single voice message, but as you can see, it went through this process where it failed, but then it went working, then it once again failed, and it fixed again. So basically, I just want to, emphasize on this moment that OpenClaw is completely agentic. If something doesn't work, it tries to make it work. It tries to understand where is the problem and how to solve that problem. So it's a clear use case in this case for you to understand how it works, how it tries to analyze what's not working, what should be working, right? Okay, so done. Landing page is ready. Okay, so let's go to this website, papercliporg.com. Okay, so it's papercliporg.com. Okay, and I see this landing page that actually reminds me of the paperclip.ing. As you can see, well, okay, it's a bit different, this page, but I see that the fonts and everything is quite similar, maybe the background. Okay, so let's get pre-configure Paperclip companies. So basically, it even built the schema for the pack, I would say. See the full org chart. Yeah, so we got this landing page. Since the landing page is done, and I see in the message that analytics is also done, so I try to access the analytics page and I see that it's actually working. We have 0 visitors, 0 views, 0 everything, because, well, actually there's nothing yet available. So that's cool, the analytics part work. So right now, what I need to actually do is to instruct my OpenClaw to basically create those 2 packs for Paperclip. Then I will be able to probably download them and modify as I wish probably, but just to have a blueprint in a way. So there's that, and also what I need to do in the meantime is to set up Stripe, just so that I would have this in the future, so I can, you know, link for people to buy somewhere. So yeah, I'll be using Stripe, and for now let's try to ask okay, so right now, because analytics and landing page is working perfectly, please create those 2 packs for Paperclip. So this SaaS factory and e-commerce empire, build those 2 packs. And yeah, that's it. Okay, basically, so I just sent the instructions to create those 2 packs, and the pages for the individual inner pages for these packs as well. And let's wait what he will give us. Sending the download files now. Okay, so basically, yeah, I see that he created 2 different packs, as I see, and I got 2 zip files. And he's still writing. Okay, so basically I got these 2 packs, so I'll just forward these to my MacBook. Okay, let's try to import them. Okay, so moving forward, we have this Paperclip installed also on a VPS. I did this manually. Yeah, so the Paperclip has this functionality to import a company. So I just downloaded from my OpenClaw to my MacBook this zip file, so I can just press on import company. There's local zip button, and then I press on choose zip, and basically this is the SaaS factory that was just created by my OpenClaw. So let's see what happens. I press on open, create a new company, yeah, sure, and let's call it, I don't know, Paperclip org, let's say, whatever, rename on conflict, and then preview import. And there we have it. Agents tab has like 17 different agents ready to work on different tasks. So now I need to check each of the agent and, you know, modify maybe a little bit manually to see if it has a good structure around each of the files, so that this company would actually perform better when you give it a real task. Let's say that. Okay, so I'll do that. Okay. So basically I just modified all of the agents a little bit. I had to still put some manual work into this, but it was not a lot, I would say that. Right now I'll just export the whole company. As you can see, we have this organizational structure here listed, so it worked completely fine. Now let me export this and move forward. Yep, export 78 files, done. Okay, since we exported and modified the skill packs, I just immediately thought about what if we showed how to import the skill pack inside your Paperclip. So what I did is I filmed a little video, I uploaded it to my VPS, and then I instructed my OpenClaw agent to incorporate this video inside the landing page, and I see that it replied, okay, I found the video, I'll work on integrating. Yeah, I also mentioned that it should have specific steps that skips to the video part where it shows that, and I see it works pretty nice. It actually works pretty nice. I wonder how it would look on our mobile. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good on the mobile, but yeah, I like this because I really wanted to show how easy it is to you know, drag and drop your skill pack inside the Paperclip immediately after you purchase it. So this part also was done manually. I had to film it myself. I had to upload it to my VPS, but also in the meantime I got to set up my Stripe. So previously I knew, because I was going to film this video, I knew that I will have to have Stripe. So I set everything up already in the beginning, but right now basically I linked the packs with the products inside Stripe. That's what I also did manually, because I don't I don't know if I really can give my access to Stripe to OpenClaw. It probably wouldn't be the best idea, so I had to do this manually. But after I got the product ID, I just uploaded into the environment file safely, and OpenClaw should know about this Stripe integration as well. So there's that. So what we currently have is basically we have this landing page, we have skill packs, these companies created also by OpenClaw, and I actually manually checked them myself. But then we have this video showcasing, and we have individual skill packs for inner pages. That's already connected with Stripe. Okay, so for now, I'm gonna leave it as it is. I think we have a solid website, landing page, Stripe is connected, analytics are connected. I will leave this for 1 week. I will come back after 1 week to check the results, what we have. I most probably will do some adjustments, but keep in mind only with OpenClaw. If it needs anything, I will probably keep a note of what happened in the week, but let's meet after 1 week to see if anything got off or not.
1 week later.
Okay guys, so it's been a week and I have some exciting news to share, some exciting stats to share actually. Okay, so basically let me briefly introduce to you what happened in that 1 week. So just a short recap. So I got in a way viral in South Korea from some influencer. I don't know how, I don't know what happened there, but you know, I got some traffic from there and some purchases as well. The second thing my OpenClaw setup is that I get a notification every single time somebody subscribes to my free pack or somebody makes a purchase. Basically, I just got this many free signups and purchases in those 7 days. And the third thing is that actually I did make some little adjustments for SEO, for Google Search Console, but that was it. I manually put like 20-30 minutes per week into this project. I completely not forgot it, but you know, I didn't want to put much effort into that. I let my OpenClaw to do everything. So the question remains, is it actually possible to make money online using nothing but OpenClaw? And the answer is simple, it's yes, because I made $350 per week using nothing but OpenClaw, and basically he was responsible for everything from design to landing page to analytics to reporting me everything throughout the week. And basically, yeah, I will keep doing this. I think this is gonna be a series. We'll maybe watch what happens after 1 month, maybe not, but I hope this project doesn't die in a week or so. But yeah, this is my honest recommendation. Try OpenClaw yourself. Basically, it does things for you. It's automatically doing proactive things for you. Okay, so let's take a last look at the dashboard to see what happened here. We can see that in almost like a little bit more than 1 week, we have received 1,700 visitors to this website. You know, there was some spike on April 14. Okay, and lastly, the coolest thing for me is, as you can see, the most traffic came from Reddit, because I posted one comment into the related post, and people got me asking like, where can I find these templates and whatnot. So I shared the link, and as you can see, you know, the visitors popped after that. But this is what I wanted to show, the dashboard, so it's pretty cool. And that's it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed the whole journey of creating a new website and looking into the dashboard and seeing what worked for me personally. If you want to check the project out yourself, it's down in the description box. And of course, if you want to see what happens after 1 month, please do leave a comment down in the comment section below, because I really would like to know if you enjoyed this video as well as I was enjoying making it. If you enjoyed the video with me sharing the whole journey, drop a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. This one so far is the hardest video I ever done.